So just a very short video on how to use the People Maps training course platform, and pretty much regardless of which course you're doing, the same process and rules apply. So in this case here we're looking at a course called Interview Pro, but I say it will apply to any course that you're doing. So there's a chance that when you log in for the first time you will have the opportunity to retake the questionnaire or go straight to your course, and it's entirely up to you whether you want to do the questionnaire. Some of the courses include personality content in them, but not all of them. So if it doesn't, then you might not need to bother. So once you come straight into your course area, then this is what you see here. So in this case, this is Interview Pro, so there's several sections. There's about 9 sections here, and you'll then just go through them one at a time. And all the courses are structured so that you have to go through them sequentially. So if we click on the first module, and it can take a few seconds to open up, depending on how many videos or what content is involved in that module. So here we come to the very first one, and there's a couple of things I'm just going to show you just in case. So you may have all the videos use Adobe Flash Player, and you may have an out-of-date Adobe Flash Player or something like that. So you might see something like this, in which case what you need to do is right click, and it varies from browser to browser, but you can see here I've got the option to run this plugin. So if I click on that, and then now you'll see the video is available, and all of the videos will now be available, and I just need to press play, and you can see once you hit play you'll see how long the video will take. And in order to proceed, so you can see that for all of them. So then the only other thing to show you is down at the bottom there's some facilities that you should be using. The first thing is there will be a question set. This is a certified course, so it asks you questions, you provide the answers, those answers are checked, and providing your answers all make sense, then you will receive your certificate. So there's 2 things we're checking. One, that you actually consume the content and complete the course, and 2, we're also checking that what we've explained it clearly enough so that you understand it. And we can tell that by usually pretty straightforward questions requiring very straightforward answers. We're not really trying to trick you or catch you out in any kind of way, and the answers are all in the videos that you just watched. So each one is for each module. So here you can see here's the exercise question. In this case, what's the People Maps Range Personality Reports called? That is used in recruitment. Well, it's a pretty straightforward question if you've just watched those videos. And in this box here, you would answer that question. Now you've got 2 choices at this point. So you answer the question. In this case, it's called Interview Pro. Now I can save that and come back to it later, or I can submit the answer. But this is very important. You need to submit the answer before you can proceed to the next module. So if you're trying to get to module 2 and you're not managing to do so, it's purely because you have not entered an answer and pressed submit. You may have pressed save instead of submit. That's quite common. So you just need to check and press submit. Now the other feature you have is for your own notes. So if you've watched a video or 2 in this module, there might be 1 or 2 things that you say, oh, that's important, let me make a note to myself on that. Then you can make your own notes here. And I say they're purely for your reference. Make your own note, save it, so that when you come back in to review the content, then you can have a quick look at your notes, and that will remind you what the video was about and what you felt was important in that video. And then finally, this last section here, got a question. Well, if you've watched the video in this specific module and there's something you don't understand or you're not sure of or needs further explained, then please enter your question here and press submit. And that question will come to People Maps, and someone will view that question and reply to it here. So you'll probably get an email to let you know that a reply has been made, and next time you come in you'll see your question and the answer that's been provided by People Maps to your specific question. So once you've done all that, I say, then you can tick the box and say I've now completed this module and press proceed. So let me just make sure I submitted that answer. Okay, so you can see your answer has been successfully submitted. That's good. Tick the box, press proceed. And again, and now we move on to section 2. As I say, and you may have to, run the plugin or update your Flash add-on as well. And that's how it works. It's as simple as that. There is a support, so if you need to contact People Maps in general, you can do so. And but that's really the Q&A section is where to, that question box. This one here, got a question. That's where you want to ask questions about the course.